They say fame is earned. But what if it's not? What if everything you thought you knew about Instagram success was a carefully crafted illusion? Behind the perfect selfies and viral videos lies a secret world, a world where numbers are manipulated, metrics are manufactured, and fame is for sale. Welcome to Instagram Secrets of Fame. This isn't just another guide, it's a revelation, a deep dive into the hidden mechanics of social media influence. Discover how influencers, brands, and marketers have mastered the art of deception. Learn the truth about fake followers, bought likes, and the psychological tricks designed to pull you in. This book unveils the psychology behind why fake fame works, the risks of the numbers game, and the step-by-step methods to leverage the system for your own growth, ethically or boldly. Imagine transforming your profile into a beacon of influence. Imagine unlocking opportunities, brand deals, partnerships, and recognition, all because you know the game and how to play it. But this isn't just about faking it, it's about understanding the balance between illusion and authenticity, about transitioning from hollow numbers to real engagement and lasting impact.
This isn't like anything else out there. It revealed strategies I didn't even know existed, and they work.
I had no idea how much was happening behind the scenes. This ebook gave me the edge I was missing, and my followers exploded in weeks.
Before this book, I felt invisible. Now, I know how to stand out.
Inside Instagram Secrets of Fame, you'll find everything from the tools to grow your profile, to the risks to avoid, to the hidden websites influencers use to buy their way to the top. Are you ready to see the truth behind the perfect feeds? To understand the strategies they don't want you to know? To decide for yourself how far you're willing to go for fame? The game is on. The question is, will you play it? Grab your copy of Instagram Secrets of Fame and take control of your journey to influence and success. The secrets are waiting. Will you unlock them?